Can somebody tell me what is the no? How can you find a new job? How come a new job has been starting? How come a new job can be started? What are the situations to start a new job?
I don't
A
know,
job
ma'am.
which is not regular daily.
Ma'am, I'm starting a new shop.
What?
Uh, uh, ma'am.
He has started a new shop.
When? If a machinery, for example, if a machinery is found out or invented, okay, a new machinery is being made, a person to work that machinery should be there, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So that is a new work. Yes, that is a new work. Yes or no?
Yes.
Likewise, it can also return back, like if a machinery, if I am working as a teacher and instead of me, if a computer or a robot came up, what will happen? If some
You will
robot
work
came up,
that machinery work.
what happens to the teachers?
ఇక్కడికి సాంప్రదాయక
Huh? What happens to the teachers? If instead of a teacher, if there is a robot, what happens?
we will work out that machinery work.
What?
We will work. We cannot work.
The job of the teacher is gone, isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you think about it? A robot instead of a teacher. So the teacher's job is gone. All the teachers will be robots. Yes?
No. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
But there will be another job introduced in the schools, the mechanic of the robot.
Teacher
Isn't it? If
job.
the robot is getting destroyed, there should be a mechanic to make it correct. Yes?
Yes.
So likewise, some jobs can be not seen after some time, and some jobs are new in at some times. Understood?
Yes.
Did you understand what I said? What did I say? Who can tell me? How come a new job is coming and how come a job is been not seen after few things,
Yes.
isn't it? Who can tell me what is happening? Giving example, other than a teacher, how come another jobs can be like this? Arthur, can you make a try?
No.
Huh? Can somebody give an example for losing a job? Okay. In your house, there will be a maid. Another example. There is maids or servants at
Yes.
your house
Yes.
washing the clothes or sweeping the floor or even cooking there.
Yes.
Yes. If you buy a robot
Yes.
for doing all this, what happens?
They will do very fastly.
And the job of the servant is gone. Yes.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Likewise, you
Not.
all know that there are washing machines nowadays. Yes.
Yes.
Before the servants used to do all this washing also. When the washing machine came, what happened?
For cleaning the tiles, we have vacuum cleaner.
Yes, you have a vacuum cleaner.
I can't hear you.
Parvana can't hear me. Others, can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yes, Parvana,
Yes.
there is some trouble with your system, dear.
No, ma'am, it's too disturbing.
You have a disturbance. Now, is it fine? Thumbs up if it is fine. Oh, okay. So, children, one of your house, there is some disturbance. So, please be muted. Okay. So, what we were talking about the jobs which can be introduced as a new job and a job which can be lost because of new inventions. Understood? Yes or no? Yes. So if something, a new machinery is introduced, a new person's job is also getting introduced, isn't it? To work that machinery, a new person should be introduced. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Likewise, if a new machinery is introduced, if somebody was working instead of that machinery, that person's job is gone. Yes?
Yes.
Likewise, a
Yes.
new job can be introduced and also a job can be gone because of these new inventions in the machineries. Understood?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, can you take your workbook? Do you have your workbook with you?
Yes.
No, those who doesn't have can go and take. I'll give you time.
Ma'am. Which page? House.
Workbook.
Page number 17, workbook part 2.
Mummy.
Number 70.
Meenakshi, I know that you are traveling. It's fine. While I send the notes, you can write it in your notebooks. I mean, in your work.
17.
Meenakshi TS.
Page number 17.
Yes, page number 17.
17.
Okay, Meenakshi?
Okay, ma'am.
Mummy.
Okay. You can read the first question now. Okay, Parvana, come on, read.
The following help people to choose their occupation.
Which of the following helps people to choose their occupation? What is it? Is it their families and friends, dislikes, skills and interests, or clothes?
Family.
Family? Who said family? Is it the family who is
Abigail.
choosing your job?
Abigail. Abigail.
Very bad, okay. What is it, children?
Skills and interest.
Skills and interests. Yes, C is answer, isn't it? Which is the answer?
Skills and
First one is C.
What are you selling?
Jonath, read the second one.
Which of the
Unmute. Okay.
Which of the following is an example of an occupation that
Involves.
involves people making things?
Which is a job where there is people making things? Is it police, doctor, farmer, or teacher?
Farmer.
Making things is farmer.
Farmer.
B, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, third one. Naitik, read the next one. Unmute.
Dash is P.
Pen.
Dash is pin.
Spent.
Dash is spent on buying things and
And
playing
paying. Paying
paying
bills. What is being given? Spent means given. Spent, what is given to buy things and paying bills? What you give?
Cash.
Cash, or you have to say it as money. What is it?
Money.
Money. Ihan, read the next one.
People work there in
When people work, they either do something
or dash something.
We learned two types of jobs. What is it? Doing
and
Read the second question, you will understand.
making.
Doing and making. So write there, make. What is it? Make something. What is it? Make something. Sarah, read the next one.
Give an example of an occupation that involves a person doing some action.
Action jobs. What is an example for action job? Doing job. What is it? Say louder.
Police.
Yes, police. You can write anything, okay? It can be police. It can be a teacher. It can be a doctor. Anything you can write, no problem. Even it can be a sweeper. Anything from this you can write. I have written lots of options. Whatever you like, you can write. Next one. Arthur, read.
What does Potter make pots?
Pots. Easy. Okay. Steny, read the next question.
Define occupation with an example.
Here it is occupation. Occupation. Say the word again.
Occupation.
Occupation. With an
With
example.
an example.
Yeah. What is an occupation, children? What is another word? What is another word?
Work.
Job. Work. Job. Yes, correct. What is it? Work or job. So write like this. Why we are doing, 1 second. Why we are doing occupation and job? For?
Because to get money.
To get money. Occupation. The spelling is there in your question. Occupation means the job or work people do to earn
Means
money.
job or what people
Example.
do to earn
A
money.
teacher teaches.
A teacher.
Teacher, ma'am, can I write pilot?
Yes.
Thank you.
What you will write? A pilot?
Drives an aeroplane. No, flies an aeroplane.
Yeah, flies an aeroplane. Others can write. If you want, you can write in your way. Okay, what they do also.
Ma'am, I can write army.
Sorry, what is it?
Ma'am, I can write army.
Yes. What does they do? What does they do? What does the army or the soldiers do? They? I didn't. Protects. What is it? They protects the nation. They protects the nation.
Nation.
They protects the nation, isn't it? What you should say? Army, those who are writing army and even the police. Army is protecting the nation, and the police is
The people.
people, or they are catching hold of the thieves, isn't it? Sarah, be careful with your pencil. Now, match the following. Work done. I am going to read the work done. The other is a picture. Work done. Keeps our streets clean. A is keeps our streets clean. Who is keeping our streets clean?
Sweeper.
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 Mark it. C, isn't it?
Ma'am, what is a square given?
Huh?
What is a square given?
Square. 1 second. I will show here.
To write the number.
8 1. The square is given like this. Yes?
Yes.
9th, 10th,
11.
11th. Isn't it? First one is keeps our streets clean.
How to match?
Wait, I will tell you. Where is the sweeper's picture? Which one is sweeper's picture?
But we need to write in that square. What?
That
And
one.
should
Where
we
is
write the numbers
which one?
in the column?
8th or 9th one?
9th one.
9th one. So write there A.
No, 9. No, you should write 9 there.
Where is sweeper? Which picture is sweepers?
9.
Hmm.
So we should write 9.
Then works in a factory. Where is the factory worker seen? 8,
Factory
11, 10
worker.
or 11?
11th.
11th. So write there B.
What? 1.
Next, takes care of sick people.
Nurse.
Huh?
Nurse.
Nurse. 8th one, isn't it?
8th one.
And the last one. Grows different crops. Farmer.
Farmer.
Yes.
10th one.
D. Where is the baby crying? Please keep muted. Oh my God, the baby is crying. Arthur, is it yours? Okay. The baby needs some milk. Oh.
Bye.
Your mama reached back?
Yes.
Okay.
See, one baby she cannot live without my mother.
That is a small baby, isn't it?
Not a small baby. One second one. She cannot live without my mother. If my mother wherever she goes, he follows. Otherwise, he will cry.
The second child, no?
Yes.
Is a boy?
No, girl.
Girl. Okay. Completed, children?
Yes.
Yes. Shiva, read the next one, Shiva.
Okay, ma'am. Mention any 2 differences between the police people who do and the people who make.
We are going to write the differences. You all know it in a point, right? The differences, you know it in points. Shiva, can you tell me a few of the points?
Ma'am?
What is the difference?
People how do.
I cannot hear. Say louder.
Mute everyone. Then only he can hear Shiv Shankar.
Second. Shiva, unmute and speak. Any differences you can say in your own words, no problem. People who do?
People who do
Say louder.
Ma'am.
What is it, Shiva?
I don't know.
Very bad. Who is it?
Last class
No, can
there was no net.
Okay,
No,
fine.
Arthur.
Who can tell the answer? Only Arthur. Okay, Pavana. Yes, Arthur, I'll come to you 1 minute. Yes, Navneet.
What happened?
Making people how making. That is farmer.
No, that is examples you are telling. I am asking the differences. What is the difference between the people who are making, the job which is making, and the job which is doing? What is the differences?
We
Why?
can understand
Yes, Parvana?
traffic police.
Sorry?
Traffic police.
No, you are giving the examples. I am asking what is the difference. One difference is their occupation. One thing they are only doing it. That are actions what they are doing. In the other job they are making something. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
In the other job you can see what they are doing, but in one job you can touch what they are doing. These were the differences. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then in the action jobs you can see the action daily, like the teacher you can see what they are doing every day, isn't it? But in the making job, can you touch what they are making every day? For the new things what they are making, you have to wait for 1 week or even 2 weeks or 1 month or even a year. You should wait. Yes or no?
Yes.
These are the differences. Yes. So who can tell me the differences now?
No, me
Who can
don't.
tell?
Not me.
Who can tell the differences now? In your words. Nobody. Let it go wrong. Try, children. Should I call the names now? Yes, Abigail, come on.
Farmer grows different crops.
What is it?
Farmer grows different crops.
Not that I'm asking. The differences. What are the differences?
Ma'am,
Yes, Navneet.
we can some work we can touch and some
Yes. Very good.
we cannot touch.
In the making jobs, you can touch the things. But in the other jobs, where they are doing, you can only see them. What they are. What is their actions, isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
Then. Very good, Navneet. Very good. Then who is it? So let us write. Then we will read and study that. Okay? In this first difference is their actions.
Actions.
Their actions are
I don't know if I could speak.
main part. Then here it is creating or making things. Yes?
Yes.
Then what will be the second one? We can only see the
We can only see
the action. The other side, what is it? We can
We
touch and
can touch and
yes, touch and feel
feel
the things they make.
make. Finish. Finish. Man, finish.
Oh, you can say only one time.
See, what is it? We can we can see their work every day, isn't it? Yes or no?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, don't write so many. I don't have space.
Okay. So till B we will write. Balance we will write in the next class. That's enough? That is enough?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. There are the next two are there that we will write in the next class. That is enough.
No, don't.
Not stop sharing the screen.
Escape.
Okay.
Okay.
There, write fast. Okay. There is no much time. Only 1 more minute.
Now finish.
In the pun.
There's concentration on his baby. I understood.
Am I finished?
Okay.
Am I finished?
Okay. I hope most of you have completed.
Yes.
Those who have not completed in the next class, we will do it. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? Neti completed, dear? Okay, very good. So we will see it in the next class. Thank you, children.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.